Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. Today we are looking at the English language. It's our first lesson in terms of introducing you to what is the English language and how it's different from the language that we speak. When I was a child, I recognized pretty early that the language I spoke at home was different to the language I saw on television, shows brought from England and from America. The way they spoke, it is totally different to the way we spoke. In primary school, my teacher said that we spoke broken English. As I grew older, I learned that broken English wasn't really broken. It was actually a whole new language, a language called Creole. That's what we speak in the West Indies. Creole means being born in a particular place. So in the West Indies, a new language was born. And how was a new language born? Well, if we take a look at the people who came to the West Indies. Well, first, we had the Amerindians who lived here. Then the Europeans came. Then they brought people from Africa and Asia and so on. When these people came, they brought their language. And the Europeans didn't teach the Africans and Asians how to speak English or Spanish or French. They had to learn it themselves. So you found that a whole new language was born when they began to learn European languages. So what we speak is called Creole, not broken English. And the standard English, standard means one consistent standard or level. And standard English is the level that books are written in, that news reporters read the news in, and so on. It's supposed to be what we aim for in terms of official language. And if we take a look at it, in the Caribbean, we have lots of Creole expressions, basic things that you might recognize. My favorite is me and no. Me and no. That means in standard English, I don't know. Standard English has one form. Creole is like that, me and no. Some other Creole expression. Him went to market, which means he has gone to the market. Or him gone to market. He has gone to the market. All right? Other expressions, we can think of lots of them. I tired. I am tired. Is standard English. Or, what do them? What do them? What's the matter with them? Okay? It's the language that we speak, Creole. Today, in this tutorial, we'll take a look at the standard English as opposed to the Creole and what makes standard English standard. Okay? Well, thank you for joining PTI, BetterGradesFast.com, and I'll see you soon.